Are your sales efforts inconsistent? Is your marketing team overwhelmed with repetitive tasks? In today's competitive landscape, businesses waste hours manually tracking leads, writing content, and managing outreach. But what if you could automate it all and get better results? Welcome to a world of possibilities where we don't just adapt AI, we automate your entire workflow, making your processes seamless, efficient, and smarter. At Linkenite, we revolutionize sales and marketing with intelligent automation. Our AI-powered solutions don't replace your team. They enhance their efficiency, helping you generate leads, create engaging content, and personalize outreach, all with minimal effort. That's what we call it, the human-in-the-loop AI technology. It's about keeping humans at the center of AI-driven automation, ensuring your strategy remains intelligent, adaptable, and result-driven. Here's how Linkenite can transform your business. Sales automation. Track website visitors. Enrich contact data. And qualify leads automatically, so your team focuses only on high-value prospects. AI-powered outreach. Scale your LinkedIn, email, and cold calling efforts with automated, personalized messaging. Automated content creation, blog writing, SEO-optimized, AI-assisted content to improve online visibility. Newsletter creation. Personalized email campaigns with smart scheduling and tracking. Video and poster creation. AI-enhanced scripts, real-life avatars, and automated video editing for engaging visual content. Podcast creation, AI-powered transcription, editing, and content generation to streamline podcast production and promotion. With Linkenite, your business runs smarter, not harder. Not sure where to start? We're offering a free 1-month pilot program so you can experience the power of automation firsthand. See real results before making a commitment. Ready to supercharge your sales and marketing? Let's connect. Book a free consultation today and take the first step toward AI-driven success.